A very good morning to you all children. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. So in the last video what did we study? We were studying about a topic, right? Do you remember that? Yes, the topic name is what? A test of archery. Very good children. So we studied about the first part. Now we are going into the second part. Till where did we study children? Yeah, first open your test book, page number 16. Page number 16, open your test book. Yeah, where did we study? Where did the story come and stopped? Yeah, Dronacharya wanted to test all the five Pandavas, right? Yeah, he wanted to test. For that sake, what he did? He gave them a test. It was not difficult test, he has said, right? But he is going to test all of us, all of them, he has said, right? Yeah. Can you remember the characters in the poem? Can you remember, children, what are the characteristics in the lesson? Yes? Yeah. The first one is Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Sahadeva, Bhima, Nakula. There were five Pandavas. Yeah? So let's see what has happened. Yeah? Look here. He has given them a bow and arrow and he has said to mark the bird on the tree. Yes, there was a bird on the tree, right, children? Look, there was a bird on the tree. He wanted to shoot at the right hand, right eye. Yes, right side of the eye. He wanted to shoot that. Yeah, he has given that test for that boys, for the five Pandava princes. Yeah. So let's move on in the topic in page number 17. Okay, page number 17, last below the picture from there, Dronacharya. Very well. Yudhishthira, get ready. What are you going to do? What Dronacharya asked? Yeah, get ready is said for whom? Is said for Yudhishthira to get ready. Yes? So he asked, what are you going to do? Sir, I am going to shoot the bird, he said. What he said? I am going to shoot the bird, he said. Dronacharya asked, what do you see? Dronacharya asked, what do you see? So Yudhishthira, what he said? Sir, I see you. I see my brothers. I see those trees and I also see the bird in that tree. So what he says? I see my brothers, I see you. What did Dronacharya ask? What do you see? He asked. So he explained everything. I see you, I see my brothers, and I see so many trees here. And also I see the bird on that tree. So what did Dronacharya said? Let's see in the next page. Open page number 17. Yes, Dronacharya. You can't shoot that bird. Don't try. Beam, it's your turn now. Put the arrow onto your bow. So what he said? Next he called the beam. He said, come, now it's your turn, he called, because he said that Yudhishthira, you cannot shoot the bird. Don't try, he said him. So next he called whom? Beam. Yeah. Now put your bow and mark the arrow, he said. Yes. Next, Bhima. I am ready, sir, he said. He's ready now to shoot the bird. Next, Dronacharya. Dronacharya says, what do you see? Beam. I see a tree, the blue sky behind it, and a bird on one of the branches. He says that I see a tree, the blue sky behind. Yeah, if you see, there will be a sky, there will be a trees, and a bird is sitting on a branch, he said. Yeah, so Dronacharya said, don't shoot. Nakul, get ready, he said. He did not allow Beam to shoot. He said, Nakul, come and get ready, he said. So, next, what happened? Yeah, Nakula, I am ready, sir. Shall I shoot? He asked. What he said? I am ready. Shall I shoot? He is asking. So, Dronacharya, no, not it. First, answer my questions. What do you see in front of you? He asked. What he said? What do you see in front of you? He asked. Who asked? The teacher, Dronacharya. He asked for Nakula. Yes, Nakula says, Sir, I see my bow with an arrow on it, a tree. He was about to say what he is saying. Sir, I see my bow, because he is catching his bow, right? The left hand will be on the front and the right hand will be at the back. Yeah, he said that I can see my bow and arrow and a tree, he said. Till then, Dronacharya said, stop. You won't be able to shoot the bird. Sahadev, put an arrow onto your bow and get ready to shoot the bird. He says that, stop, you can't do. So he said, Sahadev, to get ready to put his bow and arrow and set in a mark, he said. Yeah. Now next, what happened? Sahadev, I am ready, sir, he said. So Dronacharya, can you see the bird? He said. What he said, Dronacharya? Can you see the bird? So Sahadev said, yes, sir, I can see it. Dronacharya, what other things you can see? He asked. What did the Guru ask? The teacher, what did he ask? What are the other things do you see? He asked. So Sahadev, I can see the tree, its branches and the leaves. What he said? Sahadev, I can see the tree, its branches also I can see, and also the leaves, he said. So Dronacharya, what he said? Stop, Sahadev, you can't shoot the bird. Arjun, where are you? He asked. So what Dronacharya said? Stop, Sahadev, you cannot shoot the bird, he said. So he stopped the Sahadev also, because he's not able to shoot. Then now he calls Arjun. Where are you? He's asking. Yeah, so Arjun said, I am here, sir, he said. Where is Arjun? He comes, yeah? He comes and says, I am here. So Dronacharya, are you ready to shoot? He asked. Yes, sir, I am ready, says the Arjun. Now, Dronacharya, what can you see in front of you? He asked. So Dronacharya asked, the teacher asked the student, what do you see in front of you? He asked. So Arjuna said, Sir, I see only the bird's right eye. He's saying that I can see only the bird's right eye. Yeah. So look here. Where is the right eye? Here, right? The right side of the eye. He can see only the right side of the eye of the bird. Now, Dronacharya, can't you see anything else? So what he is asking? Can't you see anything else? He is asking. So Arjuna said, no, I can't see. I see only the bird's right eye. So what he is saying? I can't see anything, but I can see only the bird's right eye is saying. Who? Arjuna. So Dronacharya asked, what is what color is the bird? He asked. Yes. What he asked? Dronacharya. Which color the bird is? He asked. Yeah. What color is the bird? He asked. So in page number 19, look. Arjuna, I can't say. I can't see the bird's body because why? Why you can't see the bird's body? Rest all of them saw the bird's body, right? Yes, children. But Arjuna cannot say because he is not seeing the bird's body itself. So Dronacharya says, very good, Arjuna. Shoot, he said. Then Arjuna shoots and the arrow hits. Arjuna starts to shoot and the arrow hits the bird in the right eye. It's bird. his brothers and Arjuna. Yeah, brothers of Arjuna and Dronacharya claps by seeing that he correctly shoots to the birds. He see how the bow is catching. Look how nicely he is catching. In left hand he is catching the bow. In the right hand he is pulling the arrow and he is targeting. Yeah, he is putting the goal. Yes, yes, children. Yeah, and what happens? He leaves the arrow. It goes straight towards the bird's right eye, and his brothers. Who are his brothers? Yeah, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadev, they all start to clap their hands. Yeah, and also Dronacharya, his teacher, also claps the hand because he has shoot, right, children? He shot the bird. Now, Dronacharya. What is saying Dronacharya? To Arjuna's brother. He is saying to the Arjuna's brother now. Learn to look at the mark. Then only you will be able to hit it. So, what he is saying? Learn to look at the mark. Yes, children, we have to keep our focus on the goal itself. Yeah, then only we can succeed. If we distract our mind, we can't get to the goal. Yeah, even the Dronacharya, the teacher in the book, is also saying the same. Learn to look at the mark. The mark should be always on your eye should be on always on the mark itself. Yeah, then only you can able to achieve it. Yes, children. Yeah. So how was the story? Did you all liked it? Yes, children, did you all like it? Yeah, very good. So now answer the following questions. Yes, what has Dronacharya taught the prince? Dronacharya has taught the prince to use the difficult weapons, right, children? He has taught the five Pandavas to use the difficult weapons, to shoot with the bow, to ride horse, and to drive them. Yeah, what he has taught? He has taught to use the weapons and also the bow and arrow. He has taught also to ride the horse and drive them. He has also taught him to fight well in the war. Yes, to fight in the war also he has taught. Now, second, what did the teacher ask the Pandavas to do in the test? What was the test given by the Dronacharya to the Pandavas? Yeah, the teacher asked the Pandavas to shoot the bird in the right eye. Yes, children? What did the Dronacharya said? He said to shoot the bird's right side of the eye. Yeah? Yes. Next, what question did Dronacharya ask all the Pandavas? Yes, what did he ask? Yeah, Dronacharya asked all the Pandavas the same question. What do you see? Yeah, he asked all the Pandavas the same question. What do you see? What was the reply of each one of the followings? Yeah, for the question, what do you see? What was the reply, children? Yudhishthira, what he said? I see you, I see my brothers, I see those trees, and I see the bird in that tree. Yeah, next beam, what he says? I see a tree, the blue sky behind it, and a bird on one of the branches. Yeah, and Nakula said that I see my bow and arrow on it, and a tree was continuing, but he said stop, right, Dronacharya? Yeah, next Sahadev, what did he say? I see the tree, its branches and leaves. Yes, he said these all were the answers of the four brothers of Arjuna. Yes, next. What was Arjuna's reply? Yeah, Arjuna reply was, I see only the bird's right eye. I can't see the bird's body. Yes, he says, I can see only the bird's right eye, but I can't see his body. The bird's body I can't see, he says. Yeah. Next, comprehension 2. First one, open page number 20. There it is there, children. Yes. So, did the Pandava princess, like their teacher Dronacharya, pick out the lines from the play to support your answer? Did the Pandava prince like their teacher? Yes, they liked, right? Yeah, the Pandava princess liked their teacher Dronacharya. The line, Nakula, won't you teach us anymore? He asked, right? Yeah, what he says? Won't you teach us anymore? He asked. From the play supports our answers, right, children? Yeah. Arjuna couldn't see the bird's right eye because why? It was the most beautiful part of the body. Yeah, bird's body. It was the mark of, yes, mark that he had to hit. The second one is the answer, the B one. Put right to this, children. It was the mark that he had to eat. Yes, he had to eat that. Yes, the first one is no. It's not the answer. Tick for the B option. Yeah, tick here. Yes. Next. What should be your mark if you want to do well at a class test? A good preparation of the syllabus set of the class. A match, a good practice of the match. A quiz content context to increase the general knowledge and general awareness. Next, speaking. Read the following sentence. What else are you going to teach us? What else are you going to teach us? Yeah. What are you going to do? Yes, these two are the questions, right, children? So here we use going to say that we plan to do something in the next near future. So the going to is saying that we are planning to do something in the near future. Yeah. Next, here see speaking. A talk to your partner about your plans to the weekend. So what he is saying? I am going to help my mother in watering the plants. Yeah, he is saying that I am going to help. He is making that future plan that he is going to do something. Yeah, he is going to help. I am going to help my mother in watering my plants, he is saying. And this girl, what she is saying? I am going to help my sister with her project. Yes, we also use going to when we guess what will happen in the future. Yes. Now the examples are, look here. She is going to be the next prime minister. Yeah, we are guessing, right? And look here, the second one. My sister is going to pass with 90% marks. Yeah, she's saying, she's guessing that also. She may get or she may not. Yes, but she is guessing that my sister will get 90 marks, 90 percentage marks. Yes, next. Play a guessing game with your partner about what will you have in your lunchbox tomorrow. The weather tomorrow, the person who will be the next captain of your school cricket team? Yeah, play a guessing game about these children, okay? Yes, yes, children. So today we are going to end the class. We'll meet in the next video. Yes, bye. Take care.